Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Solana video update. And what an amazing performance by Bitcoin. Previously, what Bitcoin did is really nice, really good closing. I just want to show you how Bitcoin closed up here. Now the weekly closing is really amazing as well, in my opinion. The daily looks even way more fantastic. So what I'm going to say is you have the weekly here, and on the weekly time frame, just look at that. Boom, you've broken out of a big W pattern right here, and you just coiled up, and now you're looking to go back. Who knows, go to the all-time high once again. And if you do that, then we already know that SOP is about to get huge because of Bitcoin, and the way Bitcoin is looking very bullish. So this is known as an accumulation phase right now, and you're about to go up for a reaccumulation, maybe here, and then you go up there potentially for a distribution. So this is the market phase that I'm actually thinking long term. Of course, we've already talked about the short term, so I don't need to repeat that again. The technical target still remains 155 out of a falling wedge, right? So we talked about that one before. Now I do want to mention this market phase though. So market phase, and what is the market phases, right? So in here, this is the image that I want to bring out to you. You're going to see accumulation, reaccumulation, and distribution. So right now, I'm expecting this to be your accumulation, pop up, make a reaccumulation, pop up, and potentially go to those upper targets that I've given you for $300 or $500. And from there, guys, what can happen is that once you are up there, what happens next is you make a distribution here. So people think it's gonna still continue just the way it made reaccumulation over here. So you make a distribution here, and then you dump to the downside, redistribution, and then you go to the downside, and then from here you continue. So it's like a huge long journey of uptrend like this. You go to the upside. So that's it for this Solana video update, guys. Let's see how it plays out. I'm still hoping that it does come up here and then to the 1.61 in the near short term target, by the way. And I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.